Samsung's going all out with its AI game, not just to let you take cooler pictures and be witty in text, but it's gearing up to become your personal wellness assistant to help you understand your body and mind. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. Introducing the Samsung Health Assistant, a new AI-powered feature which is still in test mode, but it is aiming at becoming your personalized wellness guide. Unlike generic fitness apps, this assistant isn't just about tracking your steps or water intake, it's trained on your real health data like sleep patterns, activity, stress levels, nutrition, and it even has an energy score. According to reports, users can chat directly with the health assistant, and it will respond based on your chat history and wellness. So if you've been having difficult time sleeping at night, this AI might make some suggestions in bedtime routine or your bedroom setup. Want to build more upper body strength? It can recommend specific workouts, but importantly, Samsung isn't pitching it as a medical tool. It's a guide, not a doctor. Samsung's been approaching the health tech game differently than others. The company recently launched the Find Care feature in Samsung Health, which offers virtual doctor visits with chat follow-ups, and it even deals prescriptions and health records with Walgreens integration. Samsung's doing everything to turn its phones into health centers. The health assistant is powered by Galaxy AI, the same on-device intelligence driving Samsung's photo and productivity tools. It's another move in Samsung's broader AI push, which also includes Gallery Assistant, an AI editing helper currently in beta on Galaxy S25, Flip 7, and Fold 7 devices. All in all, Samsung wants your phone to not just track your health, but to actively help you improve it. Do you think this feature will be helpful? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.